done. Now I've already put the process over there. Now I'm going to put a fan, right? So that the processor could be covered, well covered. Let me get close to you so you can see everything. Maybe right here, right? Without forgetting, your host name is Mcee, aka Pro Gang, aka the Underdog, aka Fake MC, shut the fuck up, aka the IT nigga, aka AKA huh? How does it sound? AKA dada inabidi uzingie kama na mtoto. Okay, now I'm going to place memory, RAM. I have two memory over here, 4GB, 4GB. No, 2GB, 2GB, so it's equal to 4GB. Sorry, my bad. So RAM I'm going to put over here. RAM chips. This is the one RAM. Chip. Going to place them. The other one, place them right there. Tap, tap. Yes, we're done. So now it's when I'll be going to attach this fan to the motherboard to put this plug. It's when I will be, I can say I'm ready to put this motherboard to the bottom base cover as follows. As follows. Yeah. No, but before that, sorry, before that, I have to put a charging system or a DC jack. This is called a DC jack. So where your adapter could enter here and your VGA could be over here. So this is like a DC jack. So I have to put this first, so that everything could be fine. Sorry. Okay. So there goes the DC jack last well. After the DC jack, also I have to put the LAN sockets. See, but this LAN socket is come with the USB audio and mic cables. I mean female. Yes. Now I'm going to place them too right here. Yes. And I better make sure I screw them very well so that everything should be in order. Come. I'm going to take out my screws. Yes, take out my screws. I have millions and millions of screws, so it's up to me to decide. You know. Yeah, I'm going to make sure it fits well here. Make sure everything is going fine. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. After that, I have to put the cover, the back cover, which is this one. See, so that it could work like the first step, and the DC jack and the network jack could be safe before we proceed. You know? See? Yeah. See that? See that? It's fantastic, right? Now I'm going to place this one here, the motherboard. This, yes, just like this. Now I need my screws to place, to make sure. The other one, the other one too. Until it became a laptop. The other one, yes. Now I'm going to place this very, very small chip, as you can see. But without this, my friend, you're fucked. Place over there. Going to put the speaker cable on. Speaker cable on. Yes. Then after this, what next? Can you guess? Can you guess? No, you can't. No, you can't. Let me tell you what's next. Surprise! A screen. You see? Yes. Now I'm going to put the screen on. So after I'm going to put the screen on, I can say, in a soccer they say there's always first half and second half. So when I'm going to put the screen on, it will be a first half. Then I'll be going to rest for a minute, like 2 minutes, then we'll be back. Alright? Yeah.